Hey, probably about a week ago, 10 days ago, I got contacted by somebody that wanted me to, they were going to send me a Saker mini electric saw. This is what I got. They sent it to me, and we're going to give it a try. And we're going to see how this thing works. Okay, here it is. This is the mini saw. Now, one thing I did notice is that when I first got it, I put the battery in it, and this chain was super tight, and they tell you to give it like a 2mm looseness. So I went ahead and just loosened this chain up, and that may be something that you all may want to try. Pretty good instructions that's in here. The battery was fully charged. The only concern I have of the whole thing is your oiling of your chain. Okay, this is your guard that comes up. Well, they send you a little oil for your chain, a little tube. And I was wondering how this oiling process was going to be, and I thought I had a concern about it. I was thinking about it, but this is basically for trimming your branches and everything off your whatever you're doing. It's not going to be heavy duty like we would be a regular chainsaw, so this may not be an issue at all for anybody, because you do take it down, you do walk around to your next spot. This is very light, and it's 1.1 kilogram. I don't know what pounds that is. I will figure that out, and I'll put that in the description, but this is very light, guys. It does come with a 20 volt 1.5 amp battery, so that looks pretty good. We're going to get some oil in this, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim up all these limbs right around this tree right here. All right, I'll bring it back. This thing's working pretty good. I'm going to continue on, and we'll put this more to use. But I like it. I mean, these are oak trees that I'm literally sawing through, no problem. And this blade, all that cutting I've done, has not even loosened up yet. phone ringing. All right, guys, yeah, I got a phone call. I must leave, so I'm not going to be able to finish this today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this thing on full charge, and tomorrow we're going to put the watch out, and I'll show you the clock. And I've got. All right, guys, how's it going? This is the next morning, and this is going to be a true test. And I'm wanting to do this all last night. That tree I dropped 2 days ago, and we're going to use this little guy to limit up. We can cut, I think it's up to 4-inch limbs. We'll make sure we do that. I have fully charged the battery overnight. I have tightened this up, the chain, and I've oiled it really good and sharpened it. Now, this here by far is 10 times better than using one of these little hedge clippers. All those hand saws you used to use. In fact, I threw them all away a long time ago when I got that. Well, guess what? I'm enjoying this little guy. And so we're going to go on down here, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to start a timer. All right, it is 12:50 right there. We're going to work until this battery's dead. If it doesn't die on that tree, then we'll start another one. That's about 3 inches right there. All right, I'm going to stop and put some oil on the blade. Let's go. I think it's slowing down. But if you look what we've done. Okay, it's off. I think we've killed it. So, we've done 20 feet of limbing this cedar tree. Let's walk straight up to the truck and let's go see what the time is. All right, let's see what we got here. 103. So I have a full abusive 10 minutes of limbing up that tree down there. I know I hit 3-inch limbs, several 2.5 inch. That's a lot of work. I mean, that is a lot of work for this little saw right here. You know what, guys? Look at the chain. It hasn't even really, make sure it's not hot, not too hot. It really hasn't even loosened up yet. Barely. You see me down there a minute ago. I oiled it up. That's what I've got left out of all the work I've been doing. So that means we're going to have to find out what kind of oil this is. I imagine you can just probably use motor oil, lightweight motor oil on it. And but there it is. I truly 100% like this saw. Heck, I wish I thought of it and built it. I want to say thank you to whoever made this. It's excellent. Usually you're not going to be using this mini saw for doing what I just did. You're going to use your chainsaw. But I was trying to prove to see how long it would last at full, basically almost wide open, except for that 15 seconds I put oil on the chain. You know what? I'm into it. I like this thing. And I think it works great if you're around your house, your property lines, or just your tree limbs. This does weigh, I looked it up, it does weigh just a hair over 2 pounds. It don't even feel like 2 pounds to me. So battery comes off real good. Just push that blue button and the battery will eject right there. And that's it. So the only thing I see is just this button when I have my gloves on. I mean, you can kind of see it does stick out just a little bit. But I think if they made it just a little bit bigger, go with a 1/4 inch. When you have your gloves on, because you have your gloves on, you're actually hitting this outer ring that they have. So it's hard for me to do it. But without the gloves, you see, all right, it works right now. So we're good to go. I'm going to say A1 in this little mini saw. It works great. That's it. All right, guys, there'll probably be a link down below. And check it out. And you all have a great day. And you take it easy. Thanks again. And enjoy your saw if you plan to get one, because this thing rocks. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.